Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Install Trust Wallet from the App Store or Google Play and open the app. Choose Create a new wallet to generate a secure account, and the app will display a 12-word recovery phrase. Write that 12-word phrase on paper right away. Do not save it in cloud notes or email. Confirm the phrase when prompted to complete setup. After confirmation, set a PIN and enable biometric lock if available. You now have an active Trust wallet ready to hold cryptocurrencies and tokens. If you already have a wallet, choose Import Wallet and enter your 12-word phrase or paste the private key exactly as provided to recover funds. To interact with a decentralized app, open the D app in a browser that supports Wallet Connect or click Connect Wallet on the D app site. Then select Wallet Connect and scan the QR code or follow a deep link from your phone. Review the D app permissions and gas fees shown by Trust Wallet and approve only transactions you expect. Disconnect or revoke access. Protect funds by enabling biometric or PIN lock in Trust Wallet settings and by updating the app when new releases arrive. Always test new D app connections with small amounts or to confirm addresses and gas before sending larger transfers. Keep an offline backup of your 12-word recovery phrase stored in 2 secure locations and never disclose it to anyone. If a transaction looks incorrect, reject it and check the D app contract address. Use Revoke Permissions tools to remove unwanted approvals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.